Hello and welcome back. In this session, we'll understand like we'll walk through the business requirement documents and the functional requirements documents for the online food ordering system. This presentation summarizes the business goals, project scope, and high-level requirements and detailed system behavior needed for successful implementation. To overview the project, this system enables the customers to browse the restaurants, select food items, place orders, and track deliveries online. Restaurants can manage menus and orders while delivery partners handles fulfillment. The primary goal is to create a seamless food ordering ecosystem connecting users, restaurants, and delivery partners. So, what's the business objective? The solution aims to make ordering food more convenient for users while expanding digital reach for restaurants. Automating the ordering process reduces the human errors, improves turnaround time, and enhances the customer satisfaction. Real time delivery tracking is a critical component to ensure transparency and trust. So, let's see what's in scope. These are the modules included in this phase. We are covering user registration and authentication, the restaurant catalog, menu browsing, the cart and the ordering process, online payments, order tracking, restaurants, dashboards, and delivery partner functionality. Each of these modules directly contributes to the core food ordering workflow. So these things will be like out of scope. From phase one, table booking, cash on delivery, and loyalty or coupon features are out of scope for now. These may be added in later phases depending on business needs and market demand. High level business requirements. These are high level business represents what the system must achieve to meet business goals. They include user management, restaurant browsing, and menu and cart journeys, payment processing, order management, rule based dashboards for restaurants and delivery staff. Each high level requirement will later map to detailed functional requirements. Let's see an FRD overview. Now we transition from the business perspective to technical perspective. The FRD outlines how the system will function. It includes workflows, validations, UI behaviors, field rules, and interactions between components. This ensures the development team can translate business needs into working software. FR1 and FR2 user registration logging. For registration, the system must validate unique email addresses and enforce password complexity. For login, secure authentication is required, including account log after multiple failed attempts. This rules ensures that user accounts remain secure and prevent unauthorized access. FR3 and FR4 restaurant listing. This section explains how user discovers the restaurant. The listing must show ratings, delivery times, cuisines, and price range. User can search by name or filter by cuisine, rating or budget. This enhances discoverability and improves user experience by helping them quickly find relevant restaurants. For FR5 to FR7 menu and cart. In this module, users can browse detailed menus, view item descriptions, and add items to the cart. The cart must update dynamically as quantities change. The system needs to validate availability and minimum order amount before checkout. This ensures accuracy and prevents issuing during final order placement. FR8 to FR10 payment processing. At checkout, users choose saved addresses or add new ones. The system supports multiple payment methods like UPI, card, and net banking. Once payment is processed, a unique order ID is generated. The system must properly handle payment success and failure state allow customers to retry if needed. So FR1 and FR2, well, that's order tracking. Order tracking is a key differentiator for food delivery apps. Users can see their order status as it moves from place to preparing to out of delivery and finally delivered. Push notifications will keep the user informed at every stage, improving transparency and reducing the customer anxiety. FR13 and FR14 restaurants dashboard. Restaurants can manage the menus, adding or updating the dishes, toggling availability, and modifying the details. They can also review incoming orders and choose to accept or reject them. This dashboard empowers restaurants to efficiently manage operational activities in real time. FR15 and FR16 delivers the partner module. This module enables delivery partners to receive the assignments, navigate to restaurants and customers' location, update delivery statuses such as picked up and delivered. This ensures accurate tracking and provides real-time visibility to the customers. Non-functional requirements. These quality attributes ensure system reliability and performance. Pages must load within 3 seconds. The system must scale to handle high traffic during peak hours, and availability must be maintained at 99.5%. Security is also crucial. Data should be encrypted. Authentication must be robust. So this is kind of a video where you can learn about these projects. Thanks for watching this video.